Good morning. Not as windy this afternoon, so a lot more comfortable than yesterday. Still going to be cool, though, just a few degrees warmer than yesterday. It's just the feel will be the key difference. Let's get you to the weather headlines. The average temperature so far this month, and this is actually coming in as of yesterday, 46.2 degrees. The warmest December ever had an average temperature of 40.6 degrees. You can see we are well above that record right now. And even though we have a fair amount left of December to get through, it's going to be hard not to break this record, especially when you see those numbers showing up in the 7-day Futurecast. And then winter starts tomorrow night with temperatures in the 50s. That's the kind of weather pattern we have been in, right? Here's that Pat's cast, we're calling it. Mostly sunny. Now, we will see some breezes, especially late morning, 11 o'clock in the morning, 37 degrees with some breezes between about 10 and 15 miles an hour. I do see these winds relaxing a little bit throughout the game. 41 for a temperature at kickoff and 37 by the time you're walking back to the car after the game. In terms of the Eyewitness News Threat Tracker, we leave you in the low category for the next several days. No big storms in sight. What is in sight are just a few clouds here on the horizon, with visibility in really good shape. Obviously, you'll need the sunglasses. You'll notice the sunlight reflecting off of Narragansett Bay here. 30 is the temperature in Providence, Smithfield at 30, Newport 33 degrees, and New Bedford at 32. Again, with the wind, it feels even a little colder than that out of the southwest at 5 miles an hour. Wind chill at 27 degrees, kind of a hot cup of coffee type of morning. I've had about 7. Anyway, satellite picture showing a few snow showers here in upstate New York, some snow and rain showers offshore, but we're sitting pretty right in between with the mostly sunny skies today. 42 is your high in Charlestown, westerly at 42, Newport 42 degrees. Again, breezes a little busier early rather than later. They'll start around 10 to 15 and then drop to around 5 to 10 by late afternoon. Northern Rhode Island temperatures upper 30s to low 40s, 39 Woonsocket, 39 Burrillville, 38 in Foster. And in eastern Massachusetts, temperatures around 42 in Plymouth, 42 in New Bedford, 42 Fall River, and low 40s from Middletown down into Little Compton. Tonight's lows, not too bad for this time of year, upper 20s to around 30, 29 in Taunton, Smithfield at 30, and Providence around 31. Notice, though, once we get through the cool overnight and tomorrow morning, we warm it up to around 52 by tomorrow afternoon. So if you do happen to be working this week, well, the drive home from work is certainly a lot milder than the drive to work. On Tuesday, a few showers, temperatures in the upper 50s. It looks like the steadiest showers in terms of that middle of the week Futurecast come in on Wednesday. Not really that heavy, but drizzle showers at times with some fog. And then as we go into Christmas Eve, pretty windy and mild. We will be seeing some showers early, which is really good news for Santa. It looks like by the evening, the forecast appears dry, which will make it easy for Santa to fly on that sleigh. Also, keep in mind, our record for Christmas Eve is 64, so we could get close to that. 64 was actually set last year. If you remember last year, we also had a very mild Christmas Eve. It gets a little milder or a little cooler on Christmas Day with a temperature around 56, but still well above normal for this time of year. And then on Saturday, drop in temperatures into the low 50s with the chance of some showers. But like we've been saying, Jared, we get these little cold spells, but they simply don't last for very long. And that's exactly what's happening on that 7-day Futurecast.
I've obviously failed to monitor your coffee intake if you're up to 7 cups this morning.
Yeah, you need to watch that situation more carefully because I can just keep going and going, especially in early morning hours.
Okay. All right. I'll keep tabs on that next time.
Thanks, Jared.
Thanks so much. Switching gears, covering New England, it's a serious one. Police in New Hampshire